Welcome to this 3-minute guided meditation for kindness. Find a comfortable and quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Sit down or lie down with your back straight and your hands resting on your lap or by your side. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in through your nose. Filling your lungs and exhale slowly through your mouth. Let go of any tension in your body and focus on the rhythm of your breath. Inhale and exhale, finding a sense of calm and relaxation. As you continue to breathe deeply, bring your attention to the center of your heart, right in the middle of your chest. Now imagine a warm and soft light glowing in this area, radiating love and kindness. With each breath, let this light grow brighter and brighter, filling your chest with warmth and love. Now think of a person or a situation that could benefit from your kindness. It could be someone you know, someone you've had a disagreement with, or even yourself. Visualize this person or the situation in your mind. As you exhale, send thoughts of compassion and kindness towards them. Imagine a golden light of kindness flowing from your heart and surrounding them. Let this light wrap around them, providing them with comfort and love. Now bring your focus back to yourself, because you deserve kindness too. Repeat the same process, sending warm thoughts of kindness and compassion to yourself. Embrace your heart with love and warmth. Let go of any self-criticism, of judgment, and accept yourself with kindness. As we come to the end of this meditation, take a deep breath and exhale slowly. Feel the warmth of kindness and love that you've generated within you. Know that you can always return to this feeling of kindness whenever you need it. Carry it with you throughout your day and share it with the world. Now gently open your eyes and may kindness be your guiding light in every moment. Thank you for joining me in this meditation for kindness. Have a beautiful, kind day.